we are at IndiaWood 2026, celebrating the outstanding second day with WEINIG. We have with us Mr. Robert Terzer, Managing Director, WEINIG. So, Mr. Robert, as one of the well-known industry solution providers, how would you describe your company's approach and key strengths?
The WEINIG Group is a provider of a full range of machinery in the solid wood and panel processing, and we focus on solutions for small to high-end industrial use. Particular in the Indian market, the panel side is what we are focusing on more compared to the solid side. And we are pleased to be present here at this great venue in Bangalore, being able to show our customers our new solutions.
What are the main unique products you are showcasing in this event?
We are showing at this exhibition two of our edgebander ranges, a small size for the smaller workshop that wants to have high-end quality, but with limited space availability, and then a medium-sized machine for the demanding customer, as well as one of our new nesting machines for efficient furniture production from the CID in the office directly onto the machine.
What are the opportunities and challenges you see in the Indian market?
The Indian market is a very fast-growing and dynamic market. So obviously the size and the growing demand is a big opportunity. At the same time, the size of the country, being able to support the customers in all areas, and overall, obviously that the price ranges Indian customers are demanding on the quality. They prefer 5-star quality, but sometimes only want to pay 3-star price.
What are the innovations that WEINIG is concentrating on to fulfill the needs of the current industry?
With our edgebanders, we are focusing on EUR glue that enables the customers to, on one hand, have a zero glue line, so very high finish, and at the same time extremely good bond, which is important in the hot and humid climate in India, ensuring long-lasting edges on the furniture.
Thank you, sir, and we wish the best to WEINIG for the upcoming days.
Thank you very much.